single-story ranch-style home ready for you and the family you just can? To beat this location literally minutes from town with the best school zone. 3-bedroom 2-bath with open floor plan and exposed beam ceiling, very fresh and ready to go with lots of remodel, all usable land with a carport and room to grow. Some of the amenities included very private setting with great rear patio, large backyard, French drains also with stove and propane heater, also very desirable city water and sewer. Home also has a non-operational well. Bring the family and schedule your appointment today. Buyer to verify square feet of home and property size and boundary. Property size is .32